Hi guys, welcome to my channel Coded. In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to create a YouTube thumbnail in Canva. Guys, first, if you are new on my channel, then please go ahead and click the subscribe button down. So without wasting much time friends, let's start with this tutorial. So guys, first open canva.com and then create an account on Canva using social login like Google or Facebook. Then once you log in, you're going to get a page like this. Then over here, you're going to see different types of elements which tell you like you can create a whiteboard, then you can create presentations, you can create post for social media, then you can create videos, print products and all. Also, you can search over here or you can click on create a design. Now click on create a design and then select option called YouTube thumbnail. If this option is not appearing, then click on the search option over here and then search for YouTube thumbnail. Guys, now let's click on this. But if you see, when I hovered on this, I can see the aspect ratio, basically the resolution of this particular YouTube thumbnail. It must be 1280 into 720 pixels. So let's click on this. So once we click on this, a new window will open in the browser. So this is your blank canvas. Over here, we can create the YouTube thumbnail. So currently the canvas is blank because we haven't added any kind of elements on top of the design. So at the left side, we can see the design tab. Under this design tab, we have templates. So we can use different types of templates. So templates allows us to fasten the process of creating YouTube thumbnail. If we do it manually using the elements, then it will take a lot of time for us to create a YouTube thumbnail. But the design templates allows us to create YouTube thumbnail within fraction of minutes. So then we have the categories of these templates. So we have gaming, vlog, then YouTube, thumbnail, holy, and there are many more. If you just scroll this particular option over here. So now let's create for gaming channel. So I'll click on gaming. So you can see what kind of templates we have for the YouTube thumbnail. So now let me select this one. So once I select, if you see in the blank canvas, the template got inserted and now we can see all the elements of it and we can even click on it and we can change the properties of each elements. Like if I want to change this particular image, then I just need to click on this and then I can delete the image and I can add a new one. Similarly, I can change the text, this particular heading over here. So now let us customize this particular template. So basically if I want to change the background color, if I don't like, then how we can do? Just click on the background over here. Now if you see, this particular option got enabled. Now I can see the background color over here. Then I can change the background color to whichever color that I want. So if you see, now the color changed. Similarly, you can change whatever color you want. So I'll select this orange color. Now also if I don't want this particular element, then I can delete it. And we can add many more elements. I'll show you how to do that also. Now let's change this heading. So I'll say counter strike. Now if you see, the text has appeared but it has gone down because of the font size. So how do we correct it? So basically we'll have to adjust the font size. So now let us click on the element and then over here a top bar will come which will show the properties of the text element. So if you see over here we have the font family. If I click on it, then I can see the different font families. Then I have the font size. Even I can change the color, I can make the text bold, italic and all. So now let's decrease the font size. So let's click on the minus button over there. So if you see, now the text size is getting reduced. So let's reduce till it gets adjusted properly. So now if you see, the text size has reduced and now it is appearing in one line. Now let me adjust it. If I just click and drag, then I can adjust the particular, basically the position where I want to place it. So now it is appearing properly. Similarly, I can say live. So basically this is an element, image element. If I don't want, then I can delete and I can add another one. So I'll say live streaming, let this be there. And now we'll change this particular text and I'll add my channel name. So let's keep our channel name as, I'll say, Code It Gaming. So I've given my channel name and now I'll increase the font size. Let's make it even bold and italic. Even we can make it underline. So there we go. Let's delete this particular element also. Now at the left side again we'll click on elements. Under these elements we can search for different types of elements. The graphics element that we want. If I scroll down, then I can see what kind of frames, grids, elements I can insert. We'll search for gaming. So now I can see the gaming elements. I'll click on graphics. Under graphics I can see all the graphics gaming elements. So let's click on this. So now if you see, the element of the game controller has been added, but the size is too much big. Now if you see, there are 4 pointers. If I select, just I basically hover on the pointer, then I can drag and I can increase or decrease the size of the element. So now let's decrease the size. So the size has been decreased and now I can place the element wherever I want. Even I can rotate it. So this is how we add. Let's duplicate the element. So I'll press Ctrl C and Ctrl V. So another element has been added. I'll place it in such a way that it appears 2 controllers. So even I'll adjust it properly. So there we go. Also let's search for some more elements. So we can add something like this game over. So it will give a cool look. But because of our background color, it doesn't look good. So let's change this also. So we'll search for something else. So let's see what we can add. So guys, you'll note one thing. Some of the elements are having this pro option. That means you need to be on the paid plan on Canva to add those. You can add, but you'll not be able to download this particular basically the thumbnail. So now let's search for something cool. I'll add this swords. So there we go guys. A cool gaming thumbnail has been created. So this is how we can create awesome looking thumbnails on YouTube for YouTube on Canva. So guys, I hope this video was helpful to you in learning how to create YouTube thumbnail for YouTube thumbnail in Canva. So that's all in this video. Thank you.